So today, our parent slash guardian is gone, and we decided we're going to play a trick, little prank, on her brother and my cousin, well, her twins. So,
we're going to pour water on him, and we're going to have this for whenever he wakes up, thinking that it's water fluid, and the lighter.
So, here we go.
Lego.
What the fuck is wrong with me?
No, go that way. Go this way, Amanda.
I'm so mom. That shit could kill you.
What?
This shit can catch on fire. Mom's not here. Now what? She's gone.
Yeah. She ain't coming back. No mom. There's puppy. But no mom.
YouTube videos catch on fire.
We were making it on how to.
The house you catch you put on fire.
Run.
I'm gonna
Oh my god.
You better take a shower. Wash good.
Yeah. Put it under the door. It's really dark in here, guys. I'm sorry. There's a lot, though.
Manual.
What? I don't know. That's your problem.
Okay, what if he does? Manual. Manual. We need to use the bathroom.
Me too, buddy. Why not? That'd be cool. Mom come on to the broken door. Oh. What the fuck?
What you got? He's spraying deodorant at me. Oh God! Oh God!
Don't get my camera wet, dude.
I'm gonna burn that thing!
I'm gonna burn that.
I'm gonna burn that thing!
I'm gonna burn that thing. Shit.
It's unlocked. You're locking it again.
Why not?
Why are you lighting it? I got the fire.
I don't know, because he's gonna get a lighter and do it to us with the spray shit. Oh my god, man. Well, this is my hometown. Not hometown, but town I now live in where my home is located.
There's not a whole lot to it.
No, not at all. I wish I could show you the rest.
And this is the demon pup.
Yeah, that motherfucker's gonna die. Dude, I didn't do it! Oh my god.
Open this. Open this. Open this.
I can't!
I don't have nails. Open it. Manuel, this is no way to behave.
Come on, sugar. This is Pam's house.
Oh! Now what? Oh my god.
He's faking you out, Amanda. Where'd you go?
You wanna burn that face?
Burn that face. Oh, don't fall. Did you already wash it off good, Manuel? Why? I wouldn't like that lighter close to my skin then. Oh god. And this is what they do.
I don't want to be deodorized. Not lighter fluid?
Mandy's barking.
Just a little bit. All over the back.
We almost had it too if you wouldn't have woke up. Shit.
I'm thirsty.
Well, anything you got to say to Manuel, Amanda?
Nothing.
Yeah, there he is. Okay.
Phone's ringing. Dude, I'm done with this. See?
I never was involved. It wasn't my idea.
Light her away.
Amanda? Amanda, seriously? Dude, I don't need any of that deodorant shit. I got stuff in my hair. So I guess he's pretty pissed, guys, but that's alright. It's all good. He'll get over it in about a day or two. There's an RV park where the Shaw people work and live.